Okay, so we're underneath the car. This is the transmission. This is the clutch fork. This is the clutch cable. So this is where you're going to adjust your clutch. And he wants it adjusted. He said it's a little loose. So there's supposed to be a boot in here to keep schmutz from going in there. So this is a 17 and this one's a 10. This is a lock nut. So we're going to back this off all the way and take it loose. Sometimes it's easy. Sometimes it's a Fiat. So this comes, hey man, what the what? This little 10 comes loose. You're gonna need this or a qualified replacement. Technically, I could get the Ugga Dugga in here. I might. And then we're gonna take this off. Now, sometimes this cable's gonna spin, but not this time. So that's a good thing. Come loose, and then back this all the way off. So if you were changing a clutch cable, I got a video on that, but this is kind of similar. And then this will slide out. It should slide out. This should slide out like so. Yeah. Okay, so now it's out of our way. Stand by. Don't hit your head. Here's the boot. And it just pops in that hole, and you know, this lip locks it in. So it's gonna slide over this fork like so, right? See, pretty easy. Our friends over at Vic Auto sent us that. And then wipe off your screwdriver, and then we're just gonna kind of pop it in like this and work it around. It's probably easier if we start at the top. That way we can work around from the bottom. Oh, look at that. Probably don't even need it. Maybe. Pop it in. Come on, get that corner. Good. Yeah, that's good. And then pop that in. Make sure we're all set. Looks pretty good. Looks kind of fucking uneven though. So it's a little bit better. Yeah. Okay. So, clutch. Now, we're going to take this back, slide it in, and get it engaged like so. Come on. We're kind of in the way. Got it. Like that. And then we're going to rotate our adjustment nut on here. Let me go upstairs and see what it feels like. Let me see what it feels like. It's highly unlikely that you're going to compress that clutch, spinning that thing by hand. If you put a wrench on it, you could. Cinch our lock nut down. Boom, Bob's your uncle. So I think that takes care of all of the issues under the car, except for front suspension, which is going to be next.